Hey besties, you all are welcome to my rooftop garden. Today I'm going to harvest some of rosalie leaves and Burmese coriander, we call it manthania. Nowadays I'm on a high protein specific diet, so I will need a whole lot of animal and vegetable proteins. I will harvest a few winged beans. Winged beans, do you know that? Yeah, it has 4 wings, like a helicopter. But don't worry, it doesn't take off. These are Burmese coriander or cilantro and it has needle sharp thorns. Be very careful while you pluck it. And here I apologize because I don't know what happened. My wing beans harvesting video, it has got the reflections and I couldn't use it. It was not good. It was corrupted. So sorry for this time. Next time maybe. And here I would like to show you which winged beans are good to eat and which are not. This is the biggest one and it has hard shells inside its core, so it's not very good. It's though you can eat it, but it's like loofah, hard loofah inside. So the younger ones, this one, it will be very good. The tender ones are good. Normally we cook wing beans in varied way, but I prefer with red lentils or any lentils because I'm on a specific diet that is one single meal, high proteinous diet in the whole day, along with a few nuts and dry fruits in between. That works fine because I work really hard. So it's not ketogenic diet, it's not even intermittent fasting. It's the best of both. And I have lost 3.5 kg in 2 weeks of time. I have selected wing beans because it's really nutritious and high in protein. Lentils are also a very good source of protein. So the combination of both the veggies are really helping me. Anyways, first you need to wash the wing beans or all the vegetables thoroughly. Though it's not from the supermarket, it's from my garden only, so it's purely organic and fresh. So you don't have to worry much. Today I'm going to share 2 recipes of wing beans, how we eat actually. Before cooking, you need to prepare the wing beans properly because you have to de-vein the wing beans. If the beans are young, there will be no vein, so you can cut it directly. But if the fruit is little bigger or mature, then there is this hard veins, you cannot eat it, alright? So you have to discard it as much as possible. You can see here, there is no vein inside of this young beans. So basically we use young beans for salad and the bigger ones or plumpier ones for the stir fry. These beans are soft to touch and it has no specific smell or taste. So whichever ingredient you put to prepare the vegetable, it takes all of it. But mature wing bean seed pods have more protein content than the younger ones. Per every 100 gram wing bean seed pods have 11 to 12 grams of protein, and I'm cooking at least 300 grams of wing beans today. While I'm preparing the wing beans, my rosalie leaves with lentils are ready because I have heard 2 whistles are gone till now. Salad especially, you need to slice the wing beans thinly sliced pieces because you will eat it raw. And for stir fry, you have to make big chunks. Okay, first I will chop the vegetables. These bean pods are delicate in nature. It's always better to have it in the raw form. But you can stir fry, make it quick so that it still retains the green color and it's beneficial. Okay, it's time to cook my meal. For cooking, we use mustard oil, ghee, sesame oil, and for salad dressing, we use olive oil. In many households, they use refined oil as well for cooking, but refined vegetable oil is not my preference. In this specific part of India, our cooking style is really simple. We prefer boiled or steamed vegetables with our own condiments, but sometimes we love stir-fried or spicy things, Today's my meal is a non-vegetarian meal. If you want me to share a vegan high-protein diet, then also I can do it. Just write vegan at the comment section. I prefer to extract all the excess oil because there is no point. If you're on a diet, then there is no point gulping down so much grease, right? So that's it. Our stir fry is ready. And finally, sprinkling some roasted spices powder. It always enhances the taste. I love it. So our stir fry is ready. And the next, we will temper the lentils. We are using just a teaspoonfuls of mustard oil and hand pounded garlic. Next, to add a tiny red chili just for the flavor. Next, I will show you how we use the Burmese coriander. After the tempering, we will add the chopped coriander leaves to the lentils. That is our garnishing, the favorite one. And that is it. Our dal is ready. Dal means lentils. It's time we prepare the wing beans salad. In this salad, we use equal portion of wing beans, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and little bit of crushed ginger and green chilies, along with Burmese coriander. Little salt, little pepper, and loads of olive oil. That's it. You toss it and you're good to go. Your wing bean salad is ready. Looks yum and vibrant. Okay, next is plating. Now we will see what I ate for my single meal protein diet. First, 1 bowl of dal, a big portion of mustard greens, and then we have stir-fried winged beans, and also 50 grams of cooked rice, 2 pieces of fried fish, and loads of salad. I need to show you one last thing, that is the staple. That is my steamed fish. This is fatty Pungus fish steamed with bamboo shoot, green chilies, and Burmese coriander. That completes my meal for today. In this video, I have tried to give you the breakdown of protein counts of every dish, and this comprises at least 50 to 100 grams of protein from one meal. This one plate meets the daily requirement of my protein intake. This is a typical Northeast Indian meal. We eat almost every day 1 dal, 2 veggies, a small portion of fish or meat every day. We do not eat only meat or only fish without vegetables. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you want a vegan version of this meal, please let me know in the comment section. I can share a vegan diet which is high in protein, also full of nutrition and fibers. Please let me know and give it a like if you like my video. If you're still here so far, thank you so much. Okay, one small tip. What do I eat in the breakfast? 2 boiled eggs with 1 yolk and 300 ml of milk.